Welcome to the highly colorful world of the beautiful koi swordtail.
Scientifically known as Giphophorus helleri, the species is an aquatic favorite.
The stunning freshwater fish represents a beautiful selectively bred variety.
A highly distinct and bright red coloration covers the entire front half beautifully.
The clean white rear body perfectly mimics the famous Japanese kohaku pattern.
Some beautiful specimens display occasional tiny black spots scattered gracefully. The colorful swordtail reaches a maximum body size of exactly 10 centimeters. Notice the highly distinct, elongated lower tail fin, resembling a sharp sword.
The female fish features a noticeably rounder body and a completely normal tail fin.
The energetic species is incredibly active and constantly explores the layout.
The colorful swordtail demonstrates a completely peaceful and highly friendly personality.
Hello there. The peaceful nature makes the fish absolutely perfect for community setups.
Colorful guppies and peaceful platies make excellent and natural tank companions. Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters.
The highly active swimmer requires plenty of wide open horizontal swimming space.
The powerful fish occasionally jumps quickly towards the water's surface unexpectedly. A securely fitted aquarium lid is absolutely required to prevent accidental jumping.
Densely planted areas of green stems provide excellent necessary hiding places.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 20 and 26 degrees.
The highly adaptable fish thrives perfectly in slightly cooler tropical water conditions.
The ideal pH level ranges strictly from 6.8 to 7.5.
The fish entirely enjoys slightly alkaline and totally stable freshwater conditions.
The exceptionally hardy species demonstrates a very easy care level for beginners. The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial flake food daily. Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and totally balanced daily diet.
Live Daphnia triggers the natural hunting instincts of the highly active fish.
Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for maintaining the vibrant colors.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates outstanding long-term dietary wellness.
The energetic group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
The highly active male constantly displays bright colors to attract the female.
The prolific live bearer shows a swollen belly, indicating a successful pregnancy.
The incredible species gives birth directly to fully formed live swimming fry.
The female can safely deliver up to 50 tiny fry during the night.
Always separate the adult fish entirely to ensure the fry are not eaten.
The tiny newborn fry swim quickly to hide among dense floating plant roots. Newly hatched Artemia provide the perfect starting food for the tiny fry.
The juvenile fish slowly starts developing the signature red and white pattern.
A totally black background poster makes the red and white colors visually explode.
The highly active swimming behavior brings undeniable dynamic motion to the layout.
The energetic swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow. During the quiet natural night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel. The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic daily swimming behavior.
A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable and clean.
The careful fish entirely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic foreground plants. The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The calm fish interacts entirely peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine environment.
The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the red face and white body visually explode. The thorough fish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by swimming in the lower middle zone.
The community group establishes a totally peaceful and highly stable social hierarchy.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins safely.
Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect swimming balance.
Energetic group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic continuous swimming pattern.
The species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping colorful livebearers.
A slightly thicker body profile perfectly indicates excellent and completely balanced daily nutrition.
Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly. The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for beginner keepers.
Notice the highly distinct scale pattern reflecting brightly above the clean white background. Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible speed and agility.
Subtle golden iridescence is often visible directly near the dorsal fin area.
The omnivorous fish eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini entirely happily.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body entirely during rapid swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for beginner aquarist setups.
The colorful swordtail demonstrates exactly why the livebearer family is universally loved worldwide.
Behold the highly unique and majestic beauty of the incredible two-tone swordtail.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful red and white swordtail? Tell us below.
The red and white swordtail is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and colorful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly pristine and your premium fish incredibly happy. The aquatic lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the unique, colorful centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
The highly peaceful fish simply ignores the playful behavior of other small tank mates.
The aquatic lily. Happy fish keeping.
A clear, distinct eye with a tiny black pupil continuously scans the water.
The massive energetic group darts in perfect unison, exactly like a moving canvas.
The bright red head looks exactly like a glowing painted jewel in motion.
The active fish loves swimming directly through small bubble curtains for playtime.
A highly robust and healthy muscle structure is built specifically for constant swimming.
The completely peaceful species coexists perfectly with delicate freshwater dwarf shrimp safely.
The entire group carefully investigates newly introduced pieces of fresh cucumber entirely peacefully.
A tiny glint of light reflects beautifully off the white scales during fast turns.